What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Forever by Justin Bieber, Post Malone, and Clever. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and you're going to capo up to the 4th fret. It's only using 2 different chords, and as always, if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description, as well as the guitar tab that I made for you guys is down there as well. If you need either of those, jump into the video description once you get done. They are there for you. The chords you need to know are going to be A minor, it's 0 0 2 2 1 0, middle finger 2nd fret D string, ring finger 2nd fret G string, index finger 1st fret B string. And the next C major, it's 0 3 2 0 1 0, ring finger 3rd fret A string, middle finger in the same spot on the 2nd fret of the D string, and index finger the same spot on the 1st fret of the B string. Once you get the chords down, I'm going to show you how to pick through the song, and then I'm also going to show you how to just strum through it if you just want to strum through the song. For the picking, all you're picking is you're starting with that A minor, and you're picking A, D, E, B twice, and then go to your C and pick the same strings just once and mute. And that literally just repeats throughout the entire song, so. Now a strumming pattern that I like to use for this song is going to be down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, and pause. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm going to pick 2 winners. One is going to receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need in there as a beginner. And the second winner is going to win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to be picking one of you lucky winners to receive a free brand new acoustic guitar. Now, all you have to do to enter the giveaways is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm going to be live streaming the monthly giveaways, and then once I do the guitar giveaway, I'm going to live stream that as well, and to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Billy Schultz Music. The more that I see you guys, the more it's going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. Thank you guys so much. I can't say it enough. I appreciate all the support and I appreciate all the love, and I can't wait to give away these prizes. So keep liking, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, keep putting those comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.